Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're going to learn singular attached pronouns. We're going to learn how to say things like my book, your book, his book, and her book. The reason why we call these pronouns attached pronouns is because they cannot happen independently and they are always attached to another word. Now with that in mind, let's open the PDF file for this lesson and move on to Table 1 to see how attached pronouns work. In the table on the left side, we can see the normal form of the pronoun, also called the detached form. The first one being huwa, meaning he. And now on the right side, we have the attached form, who, meaning his or him, depending on the context. Now let's look at the second one. Hiya, she. And on the right, her, her. The third one, you masculine. Anta. And on the right, ka, meaning you or your. The next one, you feminine. Anti. And on the right, ki, meaning you or your. And the last one, ana, I. And on the right side, e or ni. We use the form ni almost exclusively with verbs, so that one is not going to come up very often. But if it does, that's the reason. Okay, great. Now that we know the singular attached pronouns, let's move on to Table 2 to see how we can actually put them to use. Table 2 might seem a little scary at first, but what it's trying to tell us is actually very simple. What it's trying to tell us is that the attached pronouns are very versatile and can combine with a lot of different types of words, including verbs, nouns, and prepositions. And we're going to see in a minute what we mean by that. Let's look at the first attached pronoun in Table 2. Who, meaning him or his. Now let's see how we can use it with a noun. Matjaruhu. This means his store. Next, let's see how we can use it with a verb. Our verb here is ta'arifu. This means she knows. So in the sentence, hiya ta'arifuhu, what we're saying is she knows him. And lastly, with a preposition. Prepositions are small words such as with, by, around, behind, in front of, and so on. Now let's look at the sentence. Ana adrus ma'ahu. Ana adrus ma'ahu. This means I study with him. So as we can see, these attached pronouns are really versatile and they can combine with a lot of different types of words. Alright, now let's sum it up. We know two things about attached pronouns. Number one is that they never happen independently and they are always attached to another word. And number two, they are very versatile in that they can combine with a variety of words. Alright, great. That's all the grammar we're going to need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences to see how attached pronouns work in context. Number one, his house is big. Baytuhu kabir. Number two, her apartment is small. Shaqqatuha saghira. Number three, your city is expensive. مدينتك غالية. Number 4. Your village is beautiful. قريتك جميلة. Number 5. My dog is hungry. كلبي جوعان. Number 6. My school is good. مدرستي جيدة. Number 7. His university is big. جامعته كبيرة. Number 8. Is her hotel expensive? هل فندقها غالي؟ Number 9. Is your cat thirsty? هل قطك عطشان؟ Number 10. Your office is big. مكتبك كبير. Number 11. My friend is sad. صديقي محزون. Number 12. Is your teacher good? هل معلمك جيد؟ Number 13. Her doctor is bad. طبيبها سيء. Number 14. He studies at my school. هو يدرس في مدرستي. Number 15. She doesn't live in my city. هي لا تسكن في مدينتي. Number 16. They live in my building. هم يسكنون في بنايتي. Number 17. She studies at my university. هي تدرس في جامعتي. Number 18. His house is big and expensive. بيته كبير وغالي. Number 19. Her restaurant is good and cheap. مطعمها جيد ورخيص. Number 20. Where is your store? أين متجرك? Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.